let me share my top 5 beauty Mother's Day gifting ideas with you. Hi friend, it's Stace. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, Mother's Day is just around the corner and I'm going to be sharing my top 5 beauty products with you that I think are wonderful ideas for Mother's Day. To start off, we all know moms work really hard and they don't always take time to look after themselves because they're always taking care of everyone else around them. But we also know that if you don't take care of yourself, you don't always have enough left to give to others. So let's reverse those roles for a minute and let's spoil our mom this Mother's Day. The first one is the Rituals Body Cream. Oh my gosh, this one is the Ritual of Karma. It is so luxurious. I don't have very much left, but just to give you an idea of what it looks like. Oh my gosh, you guys, I was gifted this and I 100% think that every woman needs this in her life. 1, it is super moisturizing and luxurious. 2, the scent is divine. It is honestly not too potent. It has a little bit of a floral effect, but not too florally. It gives more of like a neutral tone. If you are the person who likes scents of like white tea, this one is a great idea for mom or for yourself. You definitely feel moisturized, and I love when right after I've shaved my legs, putting this on, oh my gosh, it just feels so silky smooth and divine. I think everyone needs this. My second beauty choice is the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Detox Patches. They are little under eye patches. They come with a cute little spatula type thingy to lift them up. So you can see under eye patches. These patches are really good because if mom has been working really late or she hasn't had a proper night's sleep, these are fantastic because they really do help with depuffing your under eye, and it gives you like a little bit more, it like energizes your skin. It takes your skin from looking a little drab and dreary to awake and ready for the day. So I highly recommend getting these as well. I really think that these are fun. And I also think they're a must-have, especially if you just want to spoil yourself a little bit. Or mom, as this is for mom. If you are a mom, remember you can buy yourself something for Mother's Day too, especially if your little ones are very small. Just know that you deserve to be spoiled, even if you're the one doing the spoiling. All right, number 3 is the Tatcha exfoliator. It's called the Rice Polish Classic. This is honestly, it's just an exfoliator. It's a little granular powder. Not sure if you can, well, I'm gonna shake it. You can see how it moves. You just put this in your hand, add a little bit of water, and then put it on your face, and it works as an exfoliator. I really like this one because it's not too harsh that when you exfoliate, you break out the next day. This one honestly is just a really good every week exfoliator that you can use throughout. And I really like it because of the gentleness that it has on your skin. For me, my skin is super sensitive, so whenever I do an exfoliator, I am ready the next day for a full breakout, but this one has been a game changer for me because I don't break out with this. So I'm really lucky. If mom has super sensitive skin, get this one for her. She'll love it. Okay, the next 2 items are like the holy grail of beauty, in my opinion. These 2 are a duo. I don't like using the one without the other, but that's just me. They can totally be used separately. It's a lip scrub and a lip sleeping mask. So this one is the Fresh is the brand, and it's called the Sugar Lip Polish. Let me open it up for you. You can see it's got a good texture to it. What I love about this one is when you apply it to your lips, it really does exfoliate, but it's not harsh, and it's got a little bit of moisturizer to it. So you don't technically need to put a lip mask on afterwards. You could just exfoliate your lips with it for those smooth lips, especially if you wear a lot of makeup. If mom is wearing lipstick every day, especially those long wearing lipsticks that tend to dry out your skin or your lips, be sure to use this one because this one will just smooth it on out, and you'll have luscious, plump lips ready for all the kisses for kitties. So this one is super amazing. You can, honestly, you can use it, apply it, and like rub your finger along it. You don't have to wash it off. You could actually leave it. It does dissolve a little bit. Leave it on for a little while and see how you feel. You could wipe it off completely and then continue with whatever you were doing in your makeup, in your skincare routine, or if you're doing it before you're applying your makeup. I would recommend wiping it off because it does have a little bit of like an oily residue for the moisture to lock it in. But some lipsticks don't like that. So your lipstick will either blotch, or it will move to the side, or just look as though you didn't put any lipstick on. It will actually disappear. So be careful if you're using it in the morning or before you're putting your lipstick on. But highly, highly recommend this. If you use this the night before, I love in the morning, if I do apply lipstick, how smooth and soft my lips feel. And the lipstick sits on my lips a lot better. Okay guys, my alarm just went off, sorry. The last one, and my favorite beauty product of all beauty products, if I have to pick a favorite, it would be this one. I'm not gonna say the name because I feel like I'm gonna butcher it, but it's the Lip Sleeping Mask. For anyone who knows how to pronounce that, please let me know so that I can correctly say it. But this lip mask is divine. It is, there you can see on the inside, it looks a lot like just like a lip balm or a lip gloss that you would wear, but it is a little sticky. So when you apply it, it actually sticks to your lips, and you wear it as an overnight sleep mask. This has the most moisture. It gives you all the moisture, especially if you were out in the sun or you're a little bit dehydrated. This really brings your lips back to life. I use this one about 2 to 3 times a week. I am obsessed. Really think that if there's one thing you're gonna get mom, get her this. It is so amazing. You just feel like $1,000,000 when you wake up. And through the night, it doesn't bother you. It's good for sensitive lips. It's good for just plumping, refreshing, giving your lips a little bit of a glow. I know that might sound strange, but it really does make a difference. And I love it so much. Highly, highly recommend. If you have tried any of these items, please let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite or what your experience has been. I always have those in my bathroom ready for me. I really like those, especially the lip duo, the last two. Oh my gosh. I feel like I would be a little bit lost without them. I really do love them. If you would like to know more Mother's Day gifting ideas, please let me know. I'll be sure to share some more of my faves. But for now, beauty for mom. Take care of her. She takes care of you. Give her something to make her feel a little bit special, and for her to take care of herself. So I hope that you enjoyed this. And if you're gonna see mom on Mother's Day, be sure to wish her Happy Mother's Day from me. You still have a little bit of time to get this shipped to you. If you're gonna order, I'll drop some links in the description for you if you want to see, like, get an exact link to the product. If you have your own faves that you're going to go for mom, please let me know. I love to know about all different beauty products, so please let me know if there's one that I'm missing out on and that I desperately need to add to my bathroom cupboard. Hope you guys have a great Mother's Day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!